The Dorcas Irrawaddy dolphin is seen in Southeast Asia and South Asia. They exhibit a unique habit where they often cooperate with fishermen. This is often called cooperative fishing. These dolphins employ their echolocation to herd fish schools the boat. Then they communicate to fishermen by using whistles or body language in order to notify them that the fish are ready to be taken. This collaboration creates an interest in both parties. The dolphins take a portion of the net-trapped fishes along with the fishermen who experience a much larger catch than they would normally catch on their own. These interactions are accepted by dolphins, and their exchange has been inherited from one generation to another.